So this is a bow top sashes. Top sash is good. Bottom sash is good. The frame themselves need help. That will come from, yeah, that's on the outside. This is all rotten here, and this is, whoops, there we are, that's all rotten there. That's on that side. On this side, that doesn't need to be done yet. No, that's still all good. Yeah. So, okay. Let's see if we can get our heads out there. Back in. That up as much as possible. See how the rot has taken out some bits where that was a trench going across there. Have we got a chisel in the box? Oh, we don't have a chisel. We haven't got the box on it. So I'll just use this then. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find where the trench, there I found it. This was trenched in. Could you give me the black and yellow screwdriver, please? Or if there's a chisel there. I don't think there is.
Black and yellow screwdriver.
That's the trouble with going up about 7 flights of stairs. That's it. Get there. It's good. So I'm going to get that bit out. So if you look down here, you'll see there's a trench there and there's a trench there, and we're going to fill those. What we're going to do is we're going to fit in the new bits into these trenches. Oh, hello.
All right.
I thought you were gone.
She's short something off. How's it looking?
Oh, so. You know what that sound is, don't you? Battery's going. Could you go down to the van?
Yeah.
Just making a small repair. Beautiful scene in Hastings. Lovely arch top. I made this about 15 years ago. Because it's front facing and it's facing the Sear is literally just there. There was some water ingress through the box, which we've now got rid of, and now what we're doing is putting everything back together again. There you can see down into the bowels of the earth. What we're going to do is we're going to clean that up a bit and then start assembly. No, we need to fine up again. I can't see what's difficult about it, to be honest. Right, now comes the. It's got to come over there. So I'm going to get that in there. That's it. Right. Is that one? Now, could I have the 4-inch one, which is that one? That's going to have to cut down. Goes in there. That'll go in there. So that goes in there. Some trim size. We know what size it is. That's it to there. That's it to there. This is the size. We need the fines. So far, we're winning. I wonder what's going wrong. Oh. No, that's still not quite right. Right, let's do the outside now. Where's the other bit? That's it. That's it. Square across there. That's up there. Do we want to do it down that low? Yes, we do. Is that on long? That's on the long cut, yeah. Just make sure that that's that's right that way. So what we need to do, it just needs to go in from there to there. So you don't have such a long piece. There. That's there and that's there. We need to do that. Can I have fine, please? Let's switch that on. There.
For me to do it.
Sorry?
For me to do it.
No, go on.
I'm just going out to see if I can find some primer.
Sorry?
I'm just going out to see if I can find some primer.
Yeah, if you go to Brewers,
Yeah.
they
They
get
haven't got it in.
aluminium wood primer.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, but they haven't got it in here.
They haven't?
No. They have to order it.
On the side. Right. We're getting there. Could you pass out the parting bead, please? All back together again. All back in. dead easy.